Hello everyone. First of all, a very good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all of you. As I don't know at what time you are watching this video. Well, hi, this is Puneet Sharma from American and it is just my 18th day at American and I must say you should join American as I really enjoy being here. By the way, today I am going to tell you about how to use fillers. Now the point is that what are fillers? So in a one line, I can say that fillers are used to fill the gap of your conversation. For example, basically, literally, seriously, I guess, I mean, etc. So in this conversation, you are going to understand fillers more clearly and believe me guys, it's going to be very interesting. So let's start. As we all have suffered when we were in colleges and schools, we have been given a lot of presentations and projects. The same thing happened with me today when sir called me and gave me a topic that I had to prepare. Actually, the problem was that what topic should I choose? As I was thinking there must be something, interesting to serve you. And honestly, I was not able to find a single topic to make conversation with you. I mean, I was just stumbled between some topics. At the end, I was able to reach on one conclusion that I have to converse on something that is really very different. So guys, I think you like, even I'm sure you will definitely. So I decided a topic, what topic should I choose? You know guys what I mean? I decided a topic, what topic should I choose? And literally, this experience was very funny and interesting. I hope you will like it. Thank you very much for your time. See you later.